Repulsion linkage. Repulsion linkage means on the chromosome, the locus of genes are two types. They are dominant genes and recessive genes. On one chromosome, dominant genes and recessive genes, two types of genes are present on the chromosome called repulsion linkage. This type of gene arrangement is also called transarrangement of genes. Transarrangement of genes on the chromosome. Here it is repulsion linkage explained with Lathyrus odoratus sweet pea. It explained by Betson Punnett scientist. It explained by Betson and Punnett scientist. Here it is in repulsion linkage, the parental generations are two types. One parental generation of Lathyrus odoratus contain capital B small l, capital B small l. These are the genes. They expressed the phenotypic characters are blue color flowers with round pollen grains. Capital B expressed blue color flowers, small l expressed with round pollen grains. And another parental plant of Lathyrus odoratus contains small b capital L genes. The small b capital L genes are expressed to red color flowers with long pollen grains of phenotypes. From these two parental plants, two types of gametes are formed. From one parental plant, capital B small l, from another parental plant, small b capital L gametes are developed. These two gametes are fertilized to form F1 generation. In F1 generation, small b capital B small b capital L zygote is formed. The F1 generation zygote developed into Lathyrus odoratus sweet pea. It contains blue color flowers with long pollen grains. It is in heterozygotic condition. The heterozygotic condition F1 generation of Lathyrus odoratus are classed with test grass. Test grass means the F1 generations are classed with completely homozygotic recessive parental plant called test grass. During the test grass from F1 generation heterozygotic plant produced four types of gametes. From these four types of gametes, two types of gametes are non-crossovers. They are similar to the parental generations. And two gametes are developed by the crossing over. Two gametes are developed by crossing over. And here it is the crossing over, capital B small l, small b capital L. Small b capital L, these are exchanged. These are present on the different chromosomes. These are exchanged genes between the two chromosomes by the formation of chiasma. Here it is, chiasma is formed. The chiasma cut into endonuclease, cut into parts by the endonuclease enzymes. These chromosomal parts are ligazed by the ligase enzyme to form new gametes. These gametes are called crossing over gametes. Finally, from F1 generation, total four types of gametes are formed. From these four types of gametes, are fertilized with test grass gamete to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio is 1:7:7:1. Finally, from these phenotypic plants, total in F2 generation, 427 plants are appeared. The 427, from these 427 plants, majority of the plants are similar to the parental generations. Here it is 192 plants are small b capital L. Red color flowers, red color flowers, long pollen grains. Red color flowers, long pollen grains. It is one of the parental plant. Another parental plants are 182. Blue color flowers, round pollen grains. These are one of the parental generations. And the remaining two phenotypes are recombinants. They are capital B small l. They are in 23. One is small b small l. They are in 30. From these total values, we can find the F2 ratio. F2 phenotypic ratio is 1:7:7:1 from the following principle. Here it is, what is the following principle? Mainly two principles are here. Offspring percentage is equal to offsprings by total generations into 100. It is the principle. And the second principle, linkage percentage is equal to offspring percentage by 100 into 16. So we insert the values. First we take the value of capital B capital L. Capital B capital L plants are developed how many years? It is 23. So First we discussed about the 23 plants. Offspring percentage is equal to 23 by 427 into 100 is equal to 5. The value of offspring is 5 value. The 5 value is inserted into the linkage percentage. The linkage percentage, what is the linkage percentage? Offspring percentage by 100 into 16. 100 into 16. Final value is 1. So here it is capital B, capital L. Value is 1. And small b, capital L plants are developed 182. Here it is offspring percentage is equal to 182 by 427 into 100. The value is 45. The 45 is the offspring percentage value. It is inserted into the linkage percentage. 45 by 100 into 16. The value is 7. And the next one is capital B, small l. These are developed 192. The offspring percentage value is called 192 by 427 into 100. The value is 43. It inserted into linkage percentage. 43 by 100 into 16. The value is 7. Finally, last one is small b, small l plants are developed to 30. Offspring percentage is equal to 30 by 427 into 100. The value is 7. It is inserted into the linkage percentage. 7 by 100 into 16. The value is 1. Finally, in F2 generation, 4 phenotypes values are identified. They are arranged in the dominant genes to recessive genes order. What are the dominant genes here? It is capital B, capital L are dominant genes, and heterozygotic genes are arranged at the second place, and finally homozygotic genes are present at the last place. Recessive homozygotic genes are present at the last place. Based on these arrangement, based on these values, in F2 generation of repulsion linkage, 1:7:7:1. 1:7:7:1. In coupling linkage, the F2 phenotypic ratio is 7:1:1:7. 7:1:1:7. It is in coupling linkage. But in repulsion linkage, then F2 generation phenotypic ratio is 1:7:7:1. These are the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation of repulsion linkage.